What's up guys, in today's lesson I will explain you some best ways to solve some problems with your keyboard system on your PS or laptop. So if you have some issues with your keyboards like Backspace or some problems with your directional keyboards such as like your Backspace keyboard only deleting one letter instead like a whole one, so here is a lesson to fix your problems. After watching these lessons, you'll probably find the answers all your issues. So the first one, you need to check your device update, your system update. Here is if you have like a Windows 11, you can probably find search button here on your left side. So here you can find sentence. So you have a different kind of options here like display, sound and so on. On your left you probably find the menu accessibility. Click it and you have some general like common options like about vision, hearing and interaction. From the interaction, choose keyboard sentences. So here you can find like some options like sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys and some notification preferences. So if your filter keys are turned on, just turn it off and you can fix your problem without like any difficulties. It was like a first lesson. So next step is you should probably update your Windows system itself. Here we can find like Windows Update menu. Click it and check for updates. If you have any updates, you can probably find here. If system found like any updates here, you just need updated as soon as possible. So it's like a second method to fix your problem. And the third one is you probably need to find your device manager and your keyboard drivers. So from the search menu, just type device manager and enter it. And you can find some devices on your PS or laptop here. And from the keyboards, you probably find like some keyboard drivers here. In your case, it will be probably like standard one. Click it, and from the driver menu, you just need to update it. The best way is search automatically for drivers. If you have any updates, you can find it here. In my case, the driver is already installed. I mean like the last one is already installed. But this means like I don't need any updates here. And close it. And next step is uninstall our device. And restart your computer or laptop and you'll probably find answer all your issues. After all these fixes and ways, you probably like fix your issues. So I hope after watching this video you probably find all your answers with your issues. So if you like, press like button. So subscribe my channel and see you next time. Goodbye.